Hi there, my name is Mehdi Bala and I am the founder and CEO of Grow Nearby. We are a home service digital marketing company. We help HVAC and plumbing contractors grow their business and taking their business to the next level. We are not your average marketing company. We highlight our values on empathy, positivity, progress, and data-backed results. Let's deep dive into a strategy session. Where you want to be next year? How many plumbers, technicians you want to add? How many trucks, vans you want to add next year? Who are your competitors? What are the service areas you want to dominate? Call us or schedule a strategy session with us and we will map out your 2021 internet marketing plan.